This is a tangle called dingsplatz, and it looks like a splat because you just make this curly cue however you want to and enjoy this time. There'll be some little sections of this video where you'll just be able to listen to the plant wave music in the background, and there'll be a description in this video that will take you to the links to all of the things that you might need information on. Now we're going to take our time and aura the center. Now we're going to connect the main tangle to the aura, and this is called coffering. So we're going to do that all the way around. Then we're going to aura the outside of the tangle, the whole time focusing on appreciation, gratitude, what you're grateful for. Get rid of all the junk. Now we're going to coffer the top as well. So we're going to connect just like we did below, but up on the top. And so this whole time, just make sure that you're not holding your breath, biting the inside of the cheek, clenching the jaw. This is about self-care, taking time out for you. Now we're going to add the tangle well in the center, which begins with an orb, and then we're going to take off and land, almost like spokes, out to that first aurid line in the center. And you can do any tangle that you want. Remember, I'm just teaching you the basics, and then you can take the tangle and make it whatever you would like. So enjoy this. Now we're going to add some weighting at the base of each spoke. So all I'm doing is just adding some ink at the bottom, that's all. I ended up adding a little bit of shading later on to erase all the shading and put charcoal on, which you'll see at the very end how the whole tangle turned out. But this is how I began the shading, just to give a little bit of contrast, and I think it just helps the tangles pop a little bit. But then, like I said, I erased it and did my own thing. So be sure to subscribe. There will be a link tree in the description that takes you to everything from the plant wave that plays the music to my Amazon affiliate, which has a list of tangle supplies I use. Grabby are the pens that I use. They have their own tab. The grounding mat that I sit on from Earthing. Check all of those out, but don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my other social media platforms as well. And I'll see you real soon. Don't forget to subscribe.